Being 13. My name is Philip. I'm 13 years old and I'm from Warsaw, Poland. I have school from 8:45 a.m. to 2:45 p.m., Monday to Friday. In the afternoon, I have extra art and English classes too. Right now, I'm studying for my English class. I'm sitting an English test tomorrow. When I get home after school, I take a break and then I do my homework. I usually stop around 8 o'clock in the evening. Every day, my parents give me some money for a snack. If I want to buy a CD or something like that, I have to ask them for more money. In my free time, I mostly play football and volleyball. This Saturday, I'm playing for my school football team. I also enjoy computer games or listening to my CDs. My favorite singer is Eminem. On Saturdays, I usually go to the cinema with my friends. I live in a 4-bedroom flat with my parents, my sister, and our cat. I get on well with my parents most of the time, but sometimes we argue about me playing computer games too often. I like being 13, and I know how lucky I am. I've got a really nice family and a lot of good friends.